Hello, guys. I want to present this uh, code that is making for model Toroidal propellers, and maybe that is a new series of the Toroidal propeller. But this series is very expanded, and we can make any Toroidal propeller that we want here. This Toroidal propeller, this series of Toroidal propeller is based in B series propellers, and but the difference is we have two blades here and more specific characteristics. So the difference of the Toroidal propellers than B series propellers is that first, we have two blades here, and we will have two angles of pitch. We will have two pits in two blades here. I like to say that when we have the same pitch in these both blades, we have a symmetrical toroidal propeller. Like when we will have it the same pitch in two blades, we have now a symmetric toroidal propeller. And when we have different speeds for both, we have non-symmetric toroidal propellers. And we can change anything here. We can change the relation of the area. I changed this relation because I want to compare this propeller with B series propeller because these propellers is making to use in water when boats, and this is for this is this for this is for this program, and this study is about that, and I will show what we can make in here just to show. Man. We can make we can put 5 blades, 6 blades, any blades we want. We can change the refining just to improve this geometry, or less, and we can change the relations of area directly. Oh my gosh, it's so little. And we can change more things, like we can change the NECA of our wings, right? Because we have many wings out along of our blade, and we can change the characteristic of these wings. We can change here, and we can change the space of our blades too. Like we can change this space as epsilon. Good. We can make in any toroidal propellers here. I think this is a new toroidal propeller, but we are making experimental studies of this specific toroidal propeller, and we need to choice some specific characteristic to making this experimental study. We have a tanks. We can making experimental propellers uh, with ETTC rules in our university. So is that. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.